What is up, you guys? It's Andrew back with another video. Welcome back to another 2-minute review with Drew. Today we're going to be taking a look at another pair from Kith's X-Men collaboration with Marvel Comics on the A6 Gel-Lyte 3. And here you can see me using the wrong kind of knife to safely open a package. This was actually an unexpected pickup. As you can see, the package has been opened and resealed with StockX brand stickers. The reason this was unexpected was because I had placed a low bid on the website alongside the bid for the last pair of Gel-Lyte 3s, which came in a mystery box. The bid was for the Gambit colorway, which was a precaution in case I opened the mystery box and I just wasn't a fan of the colorway I received. As I mentioned in that video, the two colorways I liked most were the Cyclops and Gambit colorways. Even though I liked the Beast version, I forgot to remove my bid for this one. Anyway, that was a silly mistake, but the bid was accepted and this package arrived in the mail. This is of course the Gambit version of the Gel-Lyte 3, but the trading card is not included this time. That was actually done on purpose because even though I am a collector at heart, I don't really care much for the trading cards, and the prices are higher for those pairs with the cards included. Some of you might think it's silly to buy the shoes without the cards to commemorate them, but the way I see it, I can wear the shoes, I can't wear a card. This Gambit colorway is a variation of pink hues to commemorate the powers in the comics and TV show. Gambit has the ability to take potential energy stored in an object and convert it to pink kinetic energy, and that is showcased in the suede upper with leather stripes on both sides of the shoe. The outsoles are all black just like the Beast colorway, but the suede is a much shorter cut than the Beast one. Like I've mentioned enough times, this is one of my favorite colorways from the Kith X-Men collaboration, and even though I was not expecting to purchase these, I am happy to add them to the collection. However, I don't think I'll be picking up any other colorways, so that's where I'm going to wrap up this collection, and that's where I'm going to wrap up this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.